Welcome to the Skylounge. Today we are presenting you Hyde Motor Works and give you some insights. I'm Fabian Simon, and who are you? Let's.
I'm Hyde. Welcome to Skylounge. Fabian.
I today was in your warehouse and bring you some stuff, and we should talk about the colors first.
Okay.
This is from the Harbinger kit. I have the yellow one here.
It's a Harbinger,
and
right?
Yes, the blue one. Why yellow and blue? And
obviously we did that to match the chairs. That's exactly the real.
Oh yeah,
reason.
sure.
I
didn't mention that.
See, great thinking.
Yeah.
It's like a philosopher's stone or some other.
Yes.
No, the real reason is we're trying to actually go into more having these aircraft-grade aluminium kits that we're making since last year, and colors speak to you.
Sure.
Everybody has a favorite color.
Yeah.
You might even have 5 different favorite colors, whatever it is, and it stands out. On the engine base, everything is black. Some people like it like that. A lot of them don't. And we had a lot of customers who said, we want colors in our kits, and we started going with different colors. This was actually picked by the designer. If you notice, it was built by Keith Caldwell, and our designers and engineers, they get to pick the colors. So.
Okay. Is there a special background to the color or just yellow and blue?
Well, blue is actually one of the colors favorable to Keith, and we figured, okay, you have BMW inspired blue there. It's a color tone very similar to certain BMW proprietary color codes. We don't use the exact colors, but it's our inspired, our inspirational one there. The yellow is more so speed yellow, what you would want to call it. But we call it the Yellow Demon.
Okay, so it's not very much inspired by BMW or something like that. It's just yellow and it's...
It is inspired by BMW.
Oh, also?
It is inspired by BMW Speed Yellow, I believe the color's called.
Oh, yeah, sure.
But it's not the exact same
thing.
It's a little bit different there.
And then you started with the OTM10 and you have different color. Why not yellow or blue then? We have orange now here. Why?
Okay, so this is, I believe, from the OTM10. Yeah, you're right. So this kit comes in 2 different variations. Actually, it's just an accent. You only have 2 or 3 parts, and it's a big kit. Majority of the kit is in black, and you just have maybe a top support bracket like this, which just stands out. So you have a black finish with some orange accents there. And this was also picked by the engineer Travis from Australia. And we always give the engineer an option to, have a look, what you want there, have a think about it. And so that's the story on that one.
So small accents and made by the engineers. Colors are picked by the engineers. Everybody is individual. Okay, nice to know. So many customers, I was very long in your warehouse, and many customers said on Instagram they want red. What do you think about red?
Well, it's red. Red's my favorite color.
They say it will give some power, some extra horsepower.
Absolutely.
So painted
red car is always faster.
Yes.
Red car has easily 10 horsepower more on red car. Easily. Like every sticker will add 20 more, right? That's exactly how it works.
Why or what is this? We have red in our warehouse. we have it already.
Okay, this is actually V4 kit. It's a WMD. Now it doesn't stand for Weapons of Mass Destruction. It's not that. It's Warner Mayerhofer design. So this is designed in Ireland by Warner. And this uses a M45 Itten, and that's from Mercedes. Mercedes calls them the M65. Has nothing to do with the M62, which is a 1 liter blower. The M45 is a 700 something cc blower, and he actually wanted this in fire red.
So this is actually an upcoming kit.
This is an upcoming kit. We made a limited batch of them.
Okay.
And we had some pre-orders, so we do take pre-orders. Just write down to the office. Just write down to Fabian, whatever it is. So we made a small batch of them, limited edition ones. And we send them around. So this is, you're probably looking at the last couple that are left still.
Good.
And the upcoming batches, maybe in 2 months, you will have them in the same color. CNC machine and...
So, did Werner pick the color? Yes.
Yes,
right.
yes. That's one thing all our
engineers do. He knew that people love red.
I guess he loves red too.
Okay. Great. So this will be at least our first cut here and our first section. And then I guess we will see us next time, not talking about colors or upcoming kits.
Something else?
Because I have another interesting fact from the warehouse, but this time not with productions. It's something different, maybe a little bit with history there.
Okay.
Stay tuned, I would say.
Alright then. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take good care.
See you next time.
Bye.